is invite people who have the expertise to...
Akiaria kigomano-ini kia honge cia mai mwena wa Naivasha, Minista wa utheru na mai Eric Muga augite ikinya riri riukite o riri gukoretwo na riboti cia mai kura na kwaga gukinyira aria mabatie kumana na baibu guthukanga, wici wa cuma na miberethi undu umwe na mitambo guthuka, kuria augite kaunti icio ithano mitaratara ya kwenja mai ni yambikitwo niguo kumaninira thina wa mai uria ukoretwo magumeire na njira nene.
That the 5 counties I am investing so much heavily on the whole of Africa, 13.5 billion. The counties of the whole of Africa, border counties for groundwater resilience program, the county of Wajir, the county of Mandera, the county of Marsabit, the county of Turkana, and the county of Garissa.
Mwena-ini wake mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini o iyo Julius Korir augite kumana na mathina macio makoretwo makigumira kambuni cia uheani wa motungata ma mai, thogora wa gutambia mai no ucoke thi, mathina ta ma thogora wa thitima, wici wa cuma na guthuka kwa mitambo ngimurikwo, kuria gavana wa kaunti ya Laikipia Joshua Irungu uria urugamirire kanjo ya magavana thiini wa kigomano giki oritie kambuni ici kuhimbiria njira cia kiriu niguo kugacirithia motungata mao, akiraniro nyitaniri kuma kuri thirikari ciothe 47 cia matura.
We saying that the unit cost caps between water produced and water billed has widened from 44 shillings to 51 shillings per cubic meter. So you can see we are losing more water. Water connections grew by only 1.3, yet when you look at the water we are generating, it should have translated to more people. So I think this is to say that there is an inefficiency somewhere.
Every cubic meter saved contributes to sustainable water access, food security, public health and economic growth. The Council of Governors therefore supports the national target of reducing non-revenue water levels to below 20% in line with the Vision 2030 and sector reform strategies.
Hindi ya kigomano giki ruhonge ruru rugite ruramurika njira ngurani cia kumatha kigina makiria gya guteithiriria kugacirithia motungata ma gutambia mai makiria. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngige Wanyamu.
And that's a gift for you.